Welcome aboard United Airlines in first class. Today, we will be flying from the sunny city of Orlando to the vibrant streets of San Francisco. First up, let's talk about the flight itself. United Airlines offers several daily flights from Orlando International Airport to San Francisco International Airport. The flight time is approximately 5 to 6 hours, depending on the route and weather conditions. We arrived at the airport at 4:45 a.m., which gave us plenty of time before our 5:50 boarding time. Because of the early hour, security was a breeze, and we were through in no time. After passing through security, we got on the trams that take you out to the gates. After stepping off the tram, you will reach a main shopping and relaxing area from which you can branch off to the different gates. Our gate was 47, so we went down the hall that said gates 40 to 49. Gates 40 to 49 are the United Airlines gates at Orlando International. The ride today out to California was a Boeing 737 MAX 9, which we boarded right on time at 5:50. United Airlines offers a comfortable seating arrangement with options for economy, economy plus, and first class. Unfortunately, this MAX 9 was not equipped with in-flight entertainment. Luckily, United offers free movies and TV shows that you can stream on your own device. Wi-Fi is also available, but for a fee. Now it's time for the seat tour. The seat is very large and comfortable with a lot of legroom. The seat also had great recline. There's also more storage than you know what to do with. There's also an outlet below the armrest. And let's not forget about the food. United Airlines provides complimentary snacks and beverages on most flights, with the option to purchase meals. All the food and beverages offered for the flight is in the seat back menu. If you're flying in first class, you can expect a more gourmet experience. Although the back of the plane was almost empty, the first class section was completely full. Due to the high Florida humidity, you could barely see through the windows until takeoff. After a relatively short taxi, the engines revved up and we started down the runway. Sitting on the left side of the aircraft on this departure allowed for views of Walt Disney World and Tampa Bay. The service began after the sun started to rise. Service started with a hot towel, which was followed by a drink. Shortly after that, they came with the meals. I had the scrambled eggs. I've heard a lot of bad things about United's catering, but to me, the eggs were actually really good. The tray table was also a very good size. It was large enough to eat or work, but probably not both. Every so often, you could even see another aircraft out the window. After a few hours, we were over El Paso, Texas. The desert Southwest has to be the most beautiful part of our country by far. Pretty soon, the Pacific Ocean became visible, which meant that this flight was almost over. The approach into San Francisco was one of the most beautiful I have ever experienced. As you land in San Francisco, you'll be greeted by stunning views of the Bay Area. As we got closer, you could even see downtown San Francisco. The landing was one of the smoothest ones I have ever experienced. It was a long taxi time, but seeing all the other aircraft made it worth it. We pulled into the gate about 20 minutes after landing and about 12 minutes early. This experience with United was very good, and I definitely would fly them again. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, then smash that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed."